Let's talk about adjusting our new valves for our system hydraulically and setting up the inputs. Hold down the menu button for about 4 seconds. It'll take you into the back side. Go to System, hit Enter, and if it doesn't bring you to the screen, it'll bring you to a screen to put in your password. Password is 04482. 04482. It's on your cheat sheet card. Head down to Idigbest and right arrow. Blinking on 2. It's for LEDs. So hit right arrow once you do that. And it'll go to Configure Outputs. Outputs will be on your system 3 for LEDs, none for kill hydraulics, bucket curl and bucket dump as I'm highlighting. This is a bang system. It means an on-off valve. Yours will be proportional, so you hit it and you'll go to, back down here to P1 for proportional 1 and go down to the other one, it'll be P0 for that. Hit enter and you'll make sure your smart float is on number 2. Just get it right up through there, number 2. That's what your machine should look like there. You can flip these or you can flip your plugs if it goes backwards. Your bucket, curl, dump. Doesn't really matter right now. So you just go out from there. Then you're going to go to calibrate, valve calibration. It says dump minimum, dump maximum, curl minimum, curl maximum. Right now, these are the numbers I'm set at for one of my machines. Probably going to be close to what you're doing. Is what you do is you go to whatever one you highlight here. If you want to see the cylinder move on the bucket, you just hold down the menu key. Just push down the menu key right there. We hold it down, you'll see the bucket move. For a minimum dump, we want the bucket to turn obviously very slowly. So if it's not turning at 35 or it's turning fast, every time you push this button, you want to go down, hit enter, and you want to lower these numbers down or up, okay? You can leave it flashing and just hold the button down and keep going down or keep going up till you find a nice, very slow turn. Then you want to go down to the next one, and which would be maximum. I have it set on 80. Normally 60 is about right. This one is a little stronger, I guess. Anyways, just start somewhere in the 60 to 80 range and start moving up and down. Just hold this button. You can see the bucket go real fast. Now you want it to go a little bit slower than full speed. So you'll want to adjust it down until you start seeing it slow down just a little bit. And that'll be it. And then the same thing with dump. You just, like I said, you hold this down to activate the cylinder, start seeing it move, and that's how you set those. Once you're done with that, start your gains out at, start these out at 50. This one out 50. They're at 1 right now. It's a bang system. Angle ramp. I'm sorry, leave those at 1. Angle ramp, put at 50, and put that one at 50. Then you need to curl your bucket all the way in and hit enter here, and it'll save it. Then you need to dump your bucket all the way out on this one. Dump it all the way out of the machine. Then when you get it out, hit enter, and it'll put a number in there and save it. Throttle is at 10. So you just go on out then, and you go down to save, and you hit enter. Boom, and it will count to 100 and save it. I don't want to save it on this one because I've got it all done to that. But that is how you set your valves up.